Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to post YouTube video on Instagram. Now the first thing you have to do is open YouTube. Now from here find the video that you want to post on Instagram. If you want to post this video, just tap on three dots, then tap on share. From here copy the video link. Now go to Instagram, then tap on your story, then choose a photo from here, then tap here and then select link. Then paste the video link here, then tap on done, and here it is. Then tap on this icon, then tap on share, then tap on done, and it's done. If I open this story, and now you can see the video link has been posted on Instagram. If you want to open this video, just tap on this link, then tap here, then tap on confirm, and you can see that will open the video. Now if you want to open it in YouTube app, just tap on three dots, then tap on open in Chrome, and you can see that will open in YouTube app. And that is how you can post YouTube video on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.